Good morning, futures traders. This is David on Thursday, September 8th, 2022. It's 9:14, and it looks like the NASDAQ is down a little. The VIX is green, so that's up. So let's get rolling here.
Order filled.
Gonna get a little sideways
Order
action.
canceled. Order filled.
Yeah, got a little sideways there. Wait for it to bust out. We picked up a quick 2,000. See if it does it again. Tries to go down.
Order filled.
Come on, get back down there. Yeah, there it goes. That should be right there.
Order submitted.
Yeah, screw that. Get back down there. Yeah, we're getting some sideways action. 05, 04, 03, 02. Come on, get down there. There we go.
Order canceled. Order filled. Order canceled.
Yeah, I had to hit that one myself. Okay, we're up 5. Sideways action. See, the body even got that. But you got to watch it. You just can't let it run. Or 4,000 rather. We haven't made a move yet. It has, but right now it's called Chop Shop. What did it even cost to chop? You got it right. There's your move. Yeah, we should get a pullback. Price is wavering. See where that level is? Look left. Always look left. See if we can break that on the second run. Yeah, I think we might get something here. See, it's sputtering at that level. Could be a head fake too, they call it. Let's see, here we go.
Order filled.
Get up there. $44, $45, $43, you know. There we go. $42, $45, $46. Get back up there. Come on, you dirty dog. Bust that nut. Right there. It's just right there, teetering. 546.
Order
There we
canceled.
go. It's gonna go up. It's gonna break that right here. No, it's going up. I'm holding. Come on.
Order canceled.
Oh, I broke that. I got too antsy. I couldn't hold it. 8,000's a lot. Okay, what does our profit or strategy performance say? 8,000. Okay, so we had $367 in commissions. So 8,427 minus 367, and that equals $8,060. And I'm on pace for $250,000 for the month. And I've been doing that every day. So yeah, the time is 9:20. So in chop, we made money. And when it made its move, it pulled back into the region again and took off, which it loves to do. And that's where the software is good. Even the software caught all of this move, which is awesome. Okay? All right. Thank you for watching. I will keep making the videos, guys.